Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to randomize skin in Valorant. Well, randomizing is basically whenever gun you have, for example this game I will have skin X and the next game I will have skin Y, but it will keep changing each game. Well, how to do so? First of all guys, I will need you to have multiple skins in your account. For example, you have not no skin like me, you will not have this option in your profile or your account. Now, how you can actually do that? First of all, after you go ahead to a store and you buy, for example, two kind of guns. For example, this is bulky one, this is bulky two. So this one is prime 2O bulky, and this one is only bulky. You can actually use both, but it will like vary between a game and another. For example, this game you will use this one, the other game you will use this one, and that will be completely randomizing. So if you have multiple scans, it will be really randomized. Now, how we can do that? Let's go ahead and buy the scans, and after that, go to your collection. So here we go, and here, for example, we're gonna go to classic, and instead of like picking a skin, we will go to this one in here. So they will choose a random favorite skin. But now this is the second step, which is you have to have a favorite skin. Well, have to make a favorite skin. You can just go to a skin, and if you have that skin in your profile, you can just add it the star in here and it will be randomized with that. So you can do the same thing with anything like any collection in the game. So whatever you have here, for example, if you have, let's do that, owned, and just like so, if you can see those, you can just add them stars and you will be randomized even with the gun. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually randomize skins in Valorant. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.